All right, let's jump right in. In this quick explainer, we're going to show you how to use a super powerful built-in iPhone feature to finally put a stop to all those unwanted calls.
Ugh, we've all been there, right? Your phone rings, you don't recognize the number, and your mind just starts racing. Is this a scam? Is it spam? Or is it actually something I need to pick up? It's just a constant daily headache.
Well, guess what? Your iPhone has the perfect answer built right in. It's a feature that acts as a live call screening system, and the idea is simple. You get to find out who's calling before you even think about picking up.
Okay, so how do you get this thing turned on? It's actually super simple. In fact, you can probably grab your phone and follow along with me right now. Let's do it.
All right, you ready? It's just a few quick taps. First, pop open your Settings app. Easy enough. Then scroll down a bit and find Phone. Tap that. From there, you're going to look for an option called Silence Unknown Callers. Tap on that, and that's where the magic happens. Okay, so here's where you have a choice. The most basic option is just to silence unknown callers. That sends anyone not in your contacts straight to voicemail. Simple. But the real power move is letting the live voicemail feature do its thing. This is what actively screens the call and lets you see why they're calling in real time.
All right, now for the cool part. Let's see what this actually looks like when an unknown number tries to call you and that live screening kicks in. This is where it gets really good.
So instead of your phone just ringing and ringing, you get this slick notification that pops up. It tells you straight up, your iPhone is screening this call. It's like your own personal assistant is handling it for you, so you don't have to.
So what's the caller hearing? Well, your iPhone prompts them to leave a message, just like a regular voicemail, and it asks them to stay on the line while it passes that info along to you.
And here it is. This is the game changer. You see a live transcript of what they're saying right there on your screen. So you'll know in a second if it's, say, Maria from the pharmacy, or a delivery driver, or just another one of those annoying spam calls.
And right at that moment, you have all the power. You know who is calling, you know why they're calling, and now you get to decide exactly what to do next, all without ever having to say a word to them. So, looking at your screen, you've got a few choices. You can type a quick, suggested reply like send more information. You could even type out a custom reply for your phone to say to them. Or if you realize, hey, I need to take this, you can just slide to answer the call at any time.
So you see that it's Maria from the pharmacy, and it's probably important. You just tap to answer, and boom, you're connected. No more guessing games, no hesitation. It is literally that simple.
So what this all comes down to is you taking back control. You're no longer at the mercy of every random number that decides to dial you.
And really, that's the whole point. It's a super simple but incredibly powerful promise. You will always know who is calling and why before you decide to pick up your phone. You know, the best way to think about this, it's like having a personal digital bouncer for your phone. Seriously. It checks everyone at the door, and only the calls that you actually want to talk to get through. It's an absolutely fantastic tool, right? And it kind of makes you wonder, with powerful features like this already built into your phone, what other awesome, game-changing settings are just waiting for you to discover?